And I'm just going to go in and use the brightening serum, the By Terry Cellular Rose. It's a CC serum, and I've got it in the colour Sunny Flash. So I just use it I just pop a couple of squirts on my finger and then just dot it over my face and then just rub it in. So I use it a little bit like a primer. Because I think it gives a really nice finish to the skin. By Terry Cover Expert, and it's in cream beige, and then I mix it with a little bit of NARS. It's the Laguna liquid bronzer. Just tap it over the face. I don't wear much. It's a MAC 227 brush. It's just like a paddle brush really, and I'm using a dupe of the Urban Decay Heat Palette. This is called Blazin', and it's literally, it was $4.99 from TK Maxx, but it's got all the same colours in as the Urban Decay one, and I think they're just as good. It's just a black fluffy one, and I'm using the colours Volcano and Strike It, which are like these two colours. They're quite a warm shade, and I just dab in. Tap off the excess, and then just gently I just dust it over the eye. So for that one I'm going to try this shade here, which is Hot Sauce, and it's just a really, really warm brown. And just gently put it into the crease there and just buff it outwards. And then once you're happy with that, I'm going to use one of the darker shades, which is called Burn, which is that one there. And I'm just going to use an angled MAC brush. Just in the corners. And then just drag it upwards. Look at the makeup. That's a nice one. I think. Just keep adding the darker colour just along the lash line. You could, if you want, put a dark, like a black eyeliner, but I'm kind of underneath. So I'm now going to use just a concealer. This is the Maybelline Eraser, and you just twist it up like that. And just pop a little bit under my eyes. That will just tidy up anything that's dropped, and it also will brighten under the eyes as well. I'm just using my foundation brush. You could use a smaller one if you want. This is quite a big one. And I'll just pop a little bit here. Okay, I'm now gonna put some colour on my brows. I'll probably use a little bit darker than I normally would because I've now gone a bit darker on the eyes than I normally would. So I just need to match it up. Okay. And then actually what I'll do is with just the with another flat brush, I'm just going to use the lightest colour, which is this one here. And just take that underneath my brow just to enhance it a little bit. I'm just using False Lash Effect by Max Factor. I would normally, if I wasn't putting any eyeshadow underneath my eyes, I wouldn't put mascara on the bottoms, but because I have, I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on the bottom. And I think also, normally I wouldn't put lashes on. Only time I'd wear lashes is literally if I'm going out. But I've kind of done slightly heavier makeup, so I'll put some lashes on as well so you can see. I've got a pair I wore recently. Yeah, they look a little bit too long for me, but hey ho. I don't have any others, so literally just press them on like that, and then just get those corner ones in place, like that. And then what I normally do is just go along the lashes like that, and get them stuck in. Right, just while they're gluing, I'll do the next one. Gluing, just while they're sticking. Yeah, these are way too long for me, but anyway. So like super dramatic. Okay, so I'm going to use the palette, this Lydia palette now by Terry. It's got the bronzer, blusher and highlighter in it. All the products are super creamy, so you don't need much of them. I'm going to go with a contoured blusher brush with the bronzer. I'm going to pop a little bit of the blush on. You don't need much of this at all, so I literally just tap my brush on. You can see there's like that much on it. And then just on the apples of my cheeks, or start at the apples of your cheeks. And then just work it in. And then finally I have the highlighter, which is this one in the middle. I'm going to use just another clean MAC brush and just on the top of my cheeks. It looks like that. These are all MAC lipsticks and they got hot one day and then they kind of smushed over and it just went wrong. Anyway,